Morning everybody, this is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol PBMD. Okay, this first chart is a daily chart. PBMD is the NASDAQ top gainer here at the open. There was this bullish gap up open. As you can see, the previous close was this red candle, and then there's this gap up open above the 50, 100, and 200 day moving averages. Okay, they're the red, gold, and green lines here. And so those are the key levels to turn into support. If you look here, there's the key level to break is the close on the first trading day of September. So bulls, you'd like to see a close above this level. It's just right below 150, and then a close above that will put these wicks on deck here. So yeah, you can see a bullish move higher with the close above this closing price on the first trading day of September. As you can see, there's been this channel that PBMD has been trading in, the sideways channel. And so, yeah, today there was this nice break above three major resistance lines. And then if you look up here at Fasto, you can see Fasto is at 75 right now. Above 80 is the overbought power zone. And then you have RSI at 67. You know, above 70 is the overbought power zone. So as you can see, there's strength behind this move here. The long upper wick on today's candle, this candle right here, the wick is showing profit taking off of 5-day levels, and that has lowered RSI and Fasto. So if you get a push higher, you know that's going to push those into the power zone. And then the thing that caught my eye here was this volume spike. So the day just started. We're only 25 minutes into the session, and there's this nice volume bar. As you can see, PBMD is thinly traded. So you know, as always, caution with thinly traded stocks. But today there is, you know, the best volume since the 1st of September, and the day just started. So what bulls don't want to see is they don't want to see a spinning top form up here. You'd like to see a solid white candle with the close near the high. So we'll be keeping an eye out for that. You know, no dojis, no spinning tops. You know, we want to see a strong bullish move throughout the day to confirm that that there is more upside potential. And then if you look down here at MACD, there's this the black line's the MACD line. It bounced off the signal line yesterday. It was set up for a bearish crossover, but then it had a nice bounce today. Okay, let's look at the next chart. This is another daily chart, and this shows the Bollinger Bands and EMAs 4 and 8. And so as you can see, the candle yesterday was below the middle Bollinger Band, and then today the gap up open has put you know, today's candle above the middle Bollinger Band and back in the upper bullish Bollinger Band channel. So what we'll be looking for now is for the middle Bollinger Band at 113 support level to hold, and for a possible new uptrend to start. The one thing to keep your eye on is this gap. You know, there's a space between the high of day yesterday and low of day today. And if you look back here in August, you can see here there was this big gap up open, you know, with the spinning top, very kind of similar candle to this with the long wicks, and then the candles immediately came down and filled the gap. So that's something to keep in mind. PBMD does have a history of filling gaps. And then if you look at this next chart, this is a 15-minute chart, and each candle on this chart represents 15 minutes of trading. So this is just a 3-day chart, and as you can see, the share price was consolidating on the 1st and the 2nd, and then today there's been this big break above the 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages. And the 50-day moving average, the green line, and the 200-day moving average, the red line, are pinched. So it's set up for a golden cross. They're both at 111. So that's showing that strength is building on the 15-minute chart. As you can see, this is the big space I was talking about. This is the gap. So, you know, we want to keep an eye out for the gap filling. There is the MACD line here is very steep. Let's see how steep this black line is here. That trajectory is unsustainable. So just know that there will probably be some consolidations at some point here today, because MACD line cannot sustain that type of angle. And then we look at this next chart. This is another 15-minute chart, and this shows the Bollinger Bands and EMAs 4 and 8. And this shows that the first two candles of the day have formed above the upper Bollinger Band, which is at 1.323. And that's signaling to us that the opening move was frothy. This big gap up was frothy, and that the candles will work their way back into the Bollinger Bands. So look at this, 129.7 EMA4 as the first level support, and keep an eye out for the candles working back into the bands. All right, thank you for viewing these charts. Please check out our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com and our website at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.